bloody idea was this? Oh, we are back. We are back at the beautiful Witsand Bay. And the good news, folks, is there's people in the sea. So that means I'm going to go swimming today. You're going to see me in action. It's going to be such good fun. So let's go check it out. Let's go do this. Come on. Oh, microphone. You can stay there. You can stay there, right? Is it warm? Is it a bit choppy? Is it? Alright. Go for it. Yeah, I know. It's a bit choppy. A bit tight here. I'll let you swim in a minute. We'll get some action shots, yeah? You swim here a lot, do you? Yeah, I love it. It's great, isn't it? Oh, Rachel. Thanks, Rachel. We'll catch you again. Go on. Get some action shots. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Oh, I really need a piss, but it's not a good idea to have a piss in your wetsuit, is it really? So very calm out here now, no waves. It's so salty, it's amazing. Ah, my glasses! I've lost my Ray-Ban! I've lost my glasses! No, don't worry, I'm messing about. They're here somewhere. They're here somewhere. Where's my glasses? Oh well. They were only Ray-Bans, weren't they? So my bag is down there somewhere, you can't see it, and the tide has dragged me down here, so we're getting dragged down this way. The tide is going out, so I'm not going too far out, folks, to be honest. So one thing, they do get riptides here, and I understand the theory of riptide. If you get caught in a riptide, don't fight it, get on your back, float, go out to sea with the riptide. At some stage it will stop, and then when it stops you swim parallel back to the beach. So for example, you'd be swimming down in that direction, or you'd be swimming up in that direction. You would never just go straight back to the beach, because you're not going to win against a riptide. So I understand the theory, but putting the theory into practice, very difficult. can't believe I actually panicked then. I was floating, I didn't realise I was floating out to sea. Bloody hell. Hello, you're lovely, aren't you? They don't like the camera. That's a boy, hello. They don't bite, do they?
No.
You sure? Hello. Lovely, lovely. Do they go in the sea or not? Hello.
Yeah, they do, yeah.
Do they? You're beautiful, aren't you? God, they're lovely. How old are they?
So he's 2 and she's 3.
That's 3, is it really?
Yeah.
Wow. Fantastic. Fantastic. Lovely, aren't you? Alright, thank you very much for that. I'm just trying to get a new camera. GoPro. Got a GoPro.
I lost my phone on the bus.
Oh, did you?
Literally, so I'm hoping it's still there when
Oh,
I get
really?
back.
Oh, no. I lost my sunglasses in the sea.
Oh, that's no, not worse.
I know. So we're going to go, yeah? We'll go. Go! Oh, fantastic. Alright. Lovely meeting you anyway.
Yeah, you too.
Have a nice day. See you later.
You
Bye.
should put the vest, get a vest thing and then you can wear it in water.
Yeah, I know. Oh, there you go. Hello, see you later. Bye. Have fun. Bye. Bye, see you later. Bye. There they go. Goodbye. Oh no. Right folks, that's the end of the film. I'm getting some really funny looks here. I'm trying to finish this film and everybody is looking at me. It's not good. Anyway, so goodbye from the beautiful Witsand Bay beach. What an amazing beach this is in Cornwall. If you're in the locality, come and check it out. Just remember, be careful if you're in that sea, the tides, etc., and the rip currents and stuff. Just be a little bit careful. There is lifeguard cover here April till about September time, I think. So yeah, just be careful folks. So if you enjoyed the film, big thumbs up please. It helps the channel so much, it really does. I'm just most appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Until next time, this is Jim Andrews. We're out of here. Okay, that's a wrap. Yeah, that's a wrap. I got it.